Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the exact file and why it resists deletion. Open an elevated shell now and navigate to the folder. List attributes so you see permissions and locks. Once you can read the owner and mode, try a non-destructive check like listing in long format. This reveals symlinks or special flags. If a process holds the file, note its PID. Make sure to have sudo or admin rights. This saves time when a standard delete fails. You now stop processes and remove obstacles. First, terminate any process holding the file. Use kill -9 on Unix, or taskle/PID on Windows. Once done, verify the handle is gone. Next, remove attributes that block deletion. Use chatter or attrib to clear immutable or read-only flags. Then run a force delete command, rmf on Unix, del/f on Windows, or unlink where appropriate. If the file is stubborn, shred or srm, add secure overwrite steps before removal. You finish by confirming removal and handling any fallout. After running the force delete, list the directory to confirm absence, flush caches, and refresh GUI views. If the file still appears, boot into safe mode or a live environment to delete outside the normal OS context. Make sure to check for file system corruption. Run fsck on Unix or chkdsk on Windows, because damaged metadata can prevent deletion. If problems persist, restore backups and consult logs for process or permission anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.